Hey guys, this is a Land Cruiser FJ300, the new Land Cruiser 300 Series 2022, a body kit. Look at this beauty, guys. Front lip spoiler here. That's Fender Flares, Fender extensions. It's already colored in pearl white. That's a rear diffuser exhaust tip. It's already including all the brackets, rubber seals. Here's some more brackets are in there in that box. That's the rear lip. That's for the back side. Exhaust will be on one side, on the left. Chrome trims, everything's perfectly painted in white. Look at this, guys. Shiny pearl white. I'm shooting in 4K so you can see all the details. Here we go, and this is the Fender Flare, Fender extension. Okay, this is how the brackets are from the inside. This is the box with remaining inner brackets. Here's some of them here. See all the screws, rivets, bolts. Exhaust muffler clamp. I guess this is a stainless steel pipe. This side is just clamping to the original exhaust pipe. Okay, it's coming this way over here from underneath. This is the exhaust for the rear bumper diffuser, rear lip. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, any request, don't hesitate to ask. We have plenty of new items like door moldings, roof racks, door handle covers, and lots of more. Fog lamps, if you have a basic option, EXR, you can buy separately fog lamps. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's the kit. And some of them already going to your destinations. Some few stocks are there. Okay, we always check and inspect and package them properly, as you can see. Here we are. There are brackets for the front lip. That's the side view. It's like extension with the mud flap together in the wheel arch. Some better view of the front and rear Fender Flares. That's a rear part. Here is the front. This is a front end. You can see it's like, looks like made of two parts, but that's a design. It's like one of the part is going a little bit more out, and this is like slope. That's a design, guys. So it's not just a black sticker, it's a shape. All right guys, thanks for watching.